What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a great day. Me, I got a new thing going on today. Well, not new for me. I've been doing it for a while. So, one shot for the channel. This is called a pump job. You park the truck funky. You pull a hose from the back. Then you take it all the way to the front of your truck. While that is running, using a pump in the truck, which is connected right here. This is the pump right here. What I'm talking about is running up into this big old tank. We do a pump job because this is a above the ground tank, and we are at a quarry, a big old facility where they do stuff. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hey, like and subscribe, please.